One thing you'll notice here, these are all side streets. This is a neighborhood. There are no stop signs or stop lights. You just kind of go for it and ease your way onto the next part of the road. And the same thing with crossing the street. You just kind of start walking and be at a steady pace, and the traffic will go around you. So it's like already in the 80s, and you'll notice that the women mainly will wear hoodies and glasses and a mask and gloves whenever they're out on these motorcycles, mopeds. There you go. There's actually full body suits as well, and it's because they're protecting their skin. It's very good generally, as far as like they prefer light skin. The whiter the better in Asian cultures, and that's why you'll see that. Older women tend not to care as much, but the young ladies, they will do that. Hello, good morning. Lots of massage places and nail places, a couple coffee shops, little banh mi stands. And banh mi is good. I'm here to tell you, I've had some pretty darn good banh mi out of some of these stands. So somebody did a nice paint job on that building. It's nice. Today's a holiday. I'll try to put in the notes below which holiday. That's the reason why they were celebrating, and all the people are dressed in holiday outfits, and drums are going and chimes and stuff. Back alley. This is Vung, in case I didn't say, and you can kind of see the difference between Vung and Ho Chi Minh City. There's a lot less garbage on the streets. One, traffic's not nearly as bad. It's a smaller town. This is a beach town. Weekend the traffics get busy, but today's Monday. Everybody's back at work or on holiday for the festivities and doing things. It's just a lot less hectic, more laid back down here. And I've enjoyed it. I've been here for, I guess, a total of 2 weeks. So you have parts of the town here that basically you can go from the beach, walk across the street, and start climbing a mountain. It's just like that. And it's not as hot here either. It's about 10 degrees cooler than it is in Ho Chi Minh City. Got nicer wind here, more consistent. That's a nice coffee shop in there. I wish they were air conditioned, but they're not. Still really nicely decorated and laid back. building something here. Looks like apartments or something. There's your Vietnamese bricks. A little different than American, what we're used to. Bike repair shop. Castrol, Bike Point. This is, I guess it's kind of typical for a neighborhood in this area. Local stores, and then in the back of those stores is where the people live that have those stores a lot of times, or upstairs, up above. You see, they're doing some construction here. One of the few fire hydrants you see right there. I just don't know how they can ride these bikes with those water bottles full. It's amazing. And we're about to get back to where I'm staying. Where I'm staying is an Airbnb, which I like. It's very eclectic. Kind of, it's got a cool style to it. There's a gate that you have to open, and then usually a car parked inside, but you know, people can bring their motorcycles in there too. And then I'm upstairs in a little, bedroom and bathroom. There's a kitchen downstairs where if you want to bring food in, you can, and cook and such. But I will say that the Wi-Fi there is unfortunately not very good. It's a bit weak. Streaming is possible, but I have had it interrupted a few times. It's been enough to work, but just barely. So I can't say I'm happy with the Wi-Fi. Two things: I'm not happy with the Wi-Fi. I'm not happy with the no one coming in to like change the linen, at least once a week or something. So other than that, it's been fine. And it is cheap, I will say. I got an entire month there for under $300. Just curious. Oh, and there it is. This is Lily's Homestay. And there's the gate right there. I got my key here. Let's see if we can get across the street. We've made it. Now, go ahead and open this up. Like I said, there's a car in here. That wasn't too bad of a walk. Sort of show off some of the place. A cup at hand, nothing more. Be the change you see in the world. So very eclectic, nicely decorated. This one's got their bike in here. A little sink here. And then here's the kitchen with the fridge and burner, pots and pans. All these are separate rooms. Decorations, plants. I'm up there. And so I think we're going to call it there. Have a great day.